Okay. Straight.
ఊతుంది అప్పుడే
The method is variation of parameter. Another problem is solve the method of variation of parameter. Variation of parameter d square differential equation is d square into d square plus y into y equal to secant x. Solve the method of variation of parameter. The problem is d square plus 1 into y equal to secant x. Okay, this method is very important. This problem also very important. Okay, solution. The given differential equation. The given differential equation is d square plus 1 into y equal to secant x. Equation put equation 1. Above equation comparing what f of d into y equal to r. Put equation 2 and we get f of d equal to d square plus 1. Equation 3 and r equal to secant x. Equation 4. R equal to secant x. Okay. In this method, okay. Complementary function. First we find complementary function. Okay. Complementary function we first to find our taking auxiliary equation. F of m equal to 0. Auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. You know this equation 3 f of d equal to d square plus 1 is there. Here m square plus 1 equal to 0. M square plus 1 equal to 0. M square equal to minus 1. M is equal to under root of minus 1. Here you know under root of minus 1 is plus or minus I. M equal to plus or minus I. Therefore the roots are m equal to plus or minus I. Plus I minus I. Okay, the complex numbers. Therefore the complementary function of equation 1 is complementary function of equation 1 is yc, that is yc equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Put equation 5th. Put equation 5th. Complex numbers is there. Plus I at minus I. C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. You know, next to cover continue step particular integral I will find. Okay. Yp equal to or assume yp equal to au plus bv. Au plus bv equation 6th. Au plus bv. Comparing up above two equations, 5th equation and also 6th equation, we get here a comma b are constants. A comma b are constants. Here c1 comma c2 are constants. Above 5th and 6th equation comparing, we get u equal to cos x and v equal to sin x. V equal to sin x. Okay, here u dash u1 means derivation of u. Cos x derivation minus sin x. Cos x derivation is minus sin x. v1 derivation of v for with respect to x. Sin x derivation cos x. Okay, your formula is what? uv1 minus u1v equal to, okay, cos x into cos x into cos x minus here u1 minus sin x into sin x minus sin x into sin x. Okay, our next continuous step is here cos x into cos x cos square x. Here minus into minus plus, sin x into sin x, sin square x. You know one formula is cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Okay, put equation here. Okay, continue step 7th equation. 7th equation. Okay. Okay, you know in this method, variation of parameter, a formula, a equal to, in this method, formula a equal to integrating of v minus vr by u v1 minus u1v into dx. Into dx. Okay. Next continuous step is minus integrating of v. V mean sin x. Sin x. You know r equal to secant x. R equal to secant x by uv1 minus u1v, 7th equation, 1 into dx. Into dx. Okay, continuous step is a equal to minus integrating of sin x, you write sin x same as, into here secant x is equal to, how to write, 1 by cos x into dx. Well, okay. Minus integrating of sin x by here minus you take under here cos x into dx. You know this goes to one formula is there. What formula? Integrating of f dash of x by f of x. Here f of x. F of x is cos x. I say okay. Cos x derivation minus sin x. Here our formula is what? Integrating of f dash of x by f of x equal to log of f of x. Log of f of x. Here same as you write. See, log of cos x. Log of cos x. Here a. Here a. Next to same as you find b value. Next same as you find b value. B equal to integrating of u r by uv1 minus u1v dx into dx equal to integrating of u mean cos x into r mean secant x by uv1 mean 1. Here put to equation 8. Okay. Next here cos x into secant x by 1 into dx. Into dx. Next our continuous step is b equal to integrating of cos x into here secant x mean 1 by cos x into dx. Here cos x get cancelled. Okay, equal to integrating of dx. Integrating of dx. Okay, equal to integrating of dx mean derivation integration cancel x. B we get to x. Put equation 9th. Okay. Therefore, our particular integral of equation 1 is y equal to particular integral yp equal to au plus bv. You know a equal to log of cos x into u mean cos x plus b equal to x into v mean sin x. Therefore, how to write this goes to cos x into log of cos x. Okay. This goes to bracket plus x sin x. This goes to yp. Put equation 10th. We find complementary function and also we find particular integral. Therefore, our general solution of given differential equation our general solution of given differential equation. What? Y equal to yc plus yp. This problem is very very important and easy. You do careful. Okay. Y equal to yc plus yp. Yc mean complementary function. Yp mean particular integral. Okay. Y equal to yc. c1 cos x plus c2 sin x yc plus yp cos x into log cos x, okay, plus x sin x. Okay, this differential equation is the required differential equation of the given differential equation. Okay, this problem is over.